Students in grades 7 and 8 spend half the year in home ec. They have the opportunity to study foods and nutrition and clothing and textiles. Students develop basic life skills such as how to read a recipe and how to work in a kitchen to prepare a simple food. They also learn some basic nutrition. In clothing and textiles, we learn some hand sewing techniques as well as how to use the sewing machine. Students have many opportunities to select projects and enjoy using their creative skills as they prepare their final projects. Please stop by and visit the home ec classrooms.